Mom, why can't we use those ones?
You can. Just cut carefully.
Does it feel like? Oh, it doesn't feel bad. That's sticky. Not sticky at all.
Is it?
Oh, not sticky.
Hey, there's something inside of it.
I know. I feel like that too. Come on out. What is this? Wow. What's inside of here?
You gotta open it.
I can't get mine out perfectly. Oh, mine's perfectly out. Oh, mine is something blue. Mine is like the shape of a burrito. I'm ripping it. Oh, wait, is this a slug? It's peeling. It's peeling. I got a little wormy. Oh, I got a little slug. Do you want to trade? I got a little wormy. No. So wait, what did I get? Oh, it doesn't say on there. What does it say? I need more on my blue.
It says on these.
I got any more on my blue. I need more blue. I got more.
Hey, you just darken mine so lighter.
Whoa, you want to trade?
You really did get a little worm.
It's so cute.
But look, I
What'd
got
you
a
get,
little
Amy?
seal.
Yours is a little seal. He's cute. He looks
Mine's
funny.
gonna go through the what is
Slime.